A garden gnome is a small figurine found in gardens that's thought to bring luck and protection. To start, I have a black marker and my paper in a portrait style or up and down format. I'm going to find the middle and draw my nose, then the mustache because they have big fluffy mustaches and beards. Now I'm going to draw his face, the shape of his face, so I'm drawing two curved lines that go up. And I'll finish that off with another slightly rounded line up at the top. Next is his hat. Gnomes have big pointy hats, so I'm going to draw a dot at the top. And then I'll go down on either side to finish his hat. For his face, his eyes are really small, but then we have big bushy eyebrows that give his face a lot of character. Now I need to finish off his beard. So I'm going to start on the side of his face and I'm going to draw a wavy line that curves down on both sides until it connects in the middle for his beard. He kind of looks like the start of Santa Claus right now, and that's okay. Now I'm going to draw his body starting with his arms. So one arm I'm going to make going down in front of him. You could do that for the other side as well, or you can follow along, and I'm actually going to have my gnome holding a lantern. So I'm going to go up, and now I'm going to draw in my lantern just for some added fun. Now I'm going to finish off the body by defining his side, right, his waist. I'm going to give him a big belt. And then I'll finish by drawing in, well, after the belt buckle, I'll draw in the bottom of his pants. So it's like he's wearing a tunic, which is like a really long shirt that you then belt. So that's the bottom of his shirt, followed by his legs and his shoes. And that will be our garden gnome. Now I have to draw my background, starting with the horizon line, which is where the land meets the sky. Now let's think about size and proportion. Gnomes are small, which means all the stuff in the background, the flowers, the mushrooms, the rocks you want to draw, those should be bigger than if you were drawing, let's say, a full-sized person or even a kid, right? Gnomes are only 1 to 2 feet tall. So everything around the gnome should be bigger to show that they're not much bigger than the flowers that you're drawing or the same size as. So that's why my flower is big. That's why my rock is so big. That's why even this mushroom I'm drawing is much bigger than if I was drawing a regular person. Because gnomes are small, and so we want everything to be in proportion and to scale. Okay, when you're done with your background, you can start to color. I'm going to start going really, really fast to color in my garden gnome. You can follow along with the same colors, or I would encourage you to create your own, and you can color it however you would like. Color it all the way. I hope your garden gnome brings you all the luck this season.